Rich Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Wednesday morning, it is the 8th day of May, and it's about 70 degrees as I make this at, early, 3:39 in the morning. Glad you're here this morning. It's starting to feel more and more like June every day. We're going to add a little bit more humidity to the air today, maybe a few of those heat of the day pop-up showers around. But that more active weather pattern that you and I have been talking about over the last few days is on its way. One where the frontal system comes into the state, parks itself across north central Alabama, and little waves of low pressure move along it. And that could keep the threat of showers and thunderstorms in the weekend forecast. Not going to rain all the time, but you may have to have a plan B. That's the bad news, the chance of showers over the weekend. The good news is if you have a lawn or garden, this could bring in some beneficial rainfall.
A real summer-like situation with south and southeasterly winds bringing in more humidity today. Dew points in the 60s, and it'll feel more like June. But that active weather is out to the west of us today. That's where there will be a tornado outbreak. Portions of Texas, Louisiana, and Arkansas, another tornado outbreak. But for us, more of a routine situation. Enough heating and enough moisture for a few pop-up showers and storms. I've got the rain chances relatively small at about 20% today. That's standard. With a high temperature around 89, 90, teetering somewhere around there. Tonight's low 67 with those southeasterly winds at 5 to 9. Tomorrow, the showers and thunderstorms, the most concentrated ones, stay out to the west of us. You see the frontal system in Arkansas, and the severe weather threat, for the most part, stays west of us. A marginal risk cutting into northwest Alabama, but the level 2 risk, the stronger risk, out to the rest of us in Mississippi. Then the front moves into the state on Friday. Showers and thunderstorms will increase across the area. I've got the rain chances at 60%. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center does not have us in a severe weather risk area. They're mentioning a marginal risk along the western Gulf Coast. But on Saturday, the front is still parked across north central Alabama, and little impulses of low pressure will move along it. So showers and thunderstorms are a good bet. It's not going to rain all the time, but the chances will remain pretty high right on through the weekend until the front moves through Monday, and we get into drier air, especially by Monday afternoon, I think. So I've got the rain chances, in the standard 30% range Thursday afternoon, but a better chance Thursday evening with a high around 88. And then a pretty good chance, 60% I've got in for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And high temperatures will be a little bit lower with the clouds and showers around, so that'll knock the temperatures down. In fact, the longer range models are indicating that. GFS has us around 90 today, and then it shows how the stormy weather over the weekend will knock the temperatures down a bit, and then warmer temperatures coming back in late next week. So we're looking at the rainfall potential. We see the strongest rainfall potential out to the west of us. Look at that around the Mississippi River, 6 inches, 5 inches. But you get closer to us, and we're looking at, maybe 1.5 inches to 2 inches across part of our area. That would be good. We need it. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. Rain chances are a little bit lower than here in central Alabama because you'll be farther away from the front, but still a 30 to 40% chance just about any time over the weekend. Gulf water temperature now is at 77. So not a terrible beach forecast.
So we'll keep an eye on those weekend rain chances. I know a lot of outdoor plans are in jeopardy. It's not going to rain all the time, but we'll keep an eye on it and have another update for you, another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45. Hey, meteorologist Ryan Stinnett and I will be talking about this weather situation on TV this morning. Join us on CBS 8 and ABC 32. We're on a couple of times at 5:50 a.m. and 6:40 in the morning. And as I mentioned, you can get your forecast whenever you want it across the dial on the Blue Water family of stations. We're live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1. Enjoy your Wednesday. I'll see you later. Have a good one.
Rich Thomas Weather.